Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cellular option is missing on Android settings. If you're using any Android phone and your cellular data option is missing, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you just have to scroll down your control center, and here you must have to correctly look for that cellular option. As you can see, there is no annual cellular data option. So let's see how can we fix that issue. You must have to tap on this edit option here. Just tap on it, then tap on this edit option, and here you must have to look for cellular or mobile data option. Once you have that, just tap on this option and it will be added to your control center. You can easily move that from here. Once you must have to tap on done, then tap on done again. So in this way you can easily get cellular option in your quick Android settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.